Hello everyone, welcome back to another review. Today we're taking a look at the 4G LTE. This is a outdoor camera, instant video play, live real-time scene, GPS installed. Let's go ahead and open it up, show you guys what you get in the package. Alright, you get a manual, some installation guides, how-to guides. Pull everything out here. Little strap. Power cables, connecting cables, mounting bracket. So this is the cam itself. Sensors up through here. You can mount it on a tripod from there and there if you want. Inside here, SIM card, power button, format, indicator lights, probably reset, charging port. No, there's a reset button. Pop this out here. This should be for the bay down here, I believe. Okay, for this, you have to press in a little hard, and it'll pop out the battery compartment, which is right in here. So it does take a lot of batteries, quite a few batteries. Make sure you have rechargeable batteries if you're going to charge it by the port on the side. So make sure you put in rechargeable batteries if you are using the port on the side to charge it in the future. For more information, refer to your user manual.